Hello dear friends, today our topic is measurement of cricket. Measurement means the action of measuring something, the size, length, breadth, weight, etc. of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players on a field is called cricket. Measurement of cricket ground and equipment are as listed below. Measurement means the action of measuring something, the size, length, breadth, etc. of cricket ground. A cricket field is a large grassy field on which the game of cricket is played. Equipment means device, apparatus, or as listed below, marked as under. Length of cricket ground from boundary to pitch means the ICC test match standard that defines the playing areas a minimum of 137.16 meter from boundary to the square of the pitch means the length of cricket ground from boundary to pitch is 175 meter. Breadth of the cricket ground from boundary to pitch means the ICC test match standard that defines the playing area as 135 meter. Length of pitch between stumps means in the game of cricket, the cricket pitch consists of central strips of the cricket field between the wickets. It is 22 yards long and 10 feet wide. Yards means a unit of linear measures equal to 3 feet and 0.9144 meter. The length of pitch between stumps is 66 feet 22 meter or 22 yards. Height of the stumps from ground level means the stumps and bales are usually made of wood, most commonly ash, and together form a wicket at each end of the pitch. The overall height of the stumps from ground level is 28 inch above the surface and 3 inch inside the surface. Total width of the stumps. The width of the stumps is overall width of each wicket is 9 inches and in centimeter 22.8 centimeter. Total height of the stumps equal to 31 inches means the stumps and bales are usually made of wood, most commonly ash, and together form a wicket at each end of the pitch and its total height is 31 inch. Breadth of the pitch means the size of the field on which the game is played, different from ground to ground, but the pitch is always a rectangular area 22 yards 20.12 meter in length and 10 feet or 3.05 meter in width. Size of the bales. The bales shall be each 4 3 by 8 inches or 11.1 1 centimeter in length when in position on the top of the stumps shall not project more than half inch or 1.3 centimeter above them. Inner circle from wickets means the inner circle is used in one-day cricket to restrict the number of fielders allowed in the outfield. The circles are marked by painted white lines or dots at 4.5 meter intervals. Two inner circles with a radius of 13.72 meter are also drawn on the field of play. Then outer circle from wickets means similarly two fielders are allowed to stand outside of the inner circle and 5 fielders are allowed outside the 30-yard circle. Weight of the cricket ball means the ball when new shall weigh not less than 5.5 ounce or 155.9 gram means 156 gram, nor more than 5.75 ounces or 163 gram. Circumference of the ball means the circumference shall measure not less than 8.81 inch means 9 inches or 22.4 centimeter nor more than 9 inches 22.9 centimeter in circumference. Color of the ball red or white means cricket balls are traditionally red and red balls are used in test cricket and first class cricket and white ball is used in ODI or 2020 match. Cricket ball made of leather means a cricket ball is made with core of cork which is layered with a tightly bound string and covered by a leather case with a slightly raised seam. Length of the bat means a cricket bat is a specialized piece of equipment used by the batsman in the sport of cricket to hit the ball. The length of bat may be or no more than 38 inches or in centimeter 96.5 centimeter. Width of the bat. The width of the bat is maybe or no more than 4.25 inches or 10.8 centimeter or 108 millimeter. Shape of the ground elliptical, oval, circular means the shape of ground is usually oval. What one can find various shaped field which may be perfectly circular, slightly longer but oval of irregular shapes. Elliptical. The word elliptical is derived from the oval shape known as an ellipse. Oval. The word oval is derived from the Latin word ovus meaning egg. Circular. A cricket match is usually played in a large circular or oval shaped grassy field. It is widely acknowledged that the diameter usually varies between 135 meter and 150 meter. Cricket ground means a cricket ground is a large grassy field on which the game of cricket is played. Grassy means a grass area of land is covered in grass. Cricket color of cricket pitch means a standard cricket field showing the cricket pitch brown. Color of close field, light green, means color of a standard cricket close field color is light green. Color of circle and outfield, the standard cricket field showing of the striking batsman in field inside wide 30 yard or 27.4 meter circle, the striking batsman in field inside the and outfield dark green with side screen beyond the boundary at either end. Color of striking in field, medium green. Diameter of cricket ground, means its diameter varies between 137 and 150 meter. Test match standard playing conditions, October 214 law 19.1 defines the playing area as a minimum of 137.16 meter from boundary to boundary square of the pitch, with the shorter of two square boundaries a minimum of 59.43 meter. Gap between rope and surrounding fencing, that is 3 yards, means the gap between rope and the surrounding fencing or advertising boards. This allows player to dive without risk of injury. A painted oval is made by drawing semicircle equal to 30 yards or in meters 27.4 meters, means the semicircle of 30 yards. This line is commonly known as circle, divides the field into an infield and outfield. Bowling crease line with the stumps equal 8 feet 8 inch, means the bowling crease is the line through the centers the three stumps at end. It is 8 feet 8 inch long with the stumps in the center. Return crease means one of two lines marked at right angles to each bowling crease from inside which a bowler must deliver the ball. The size of return crease is 4 feet. Length of popping crease means behind the wicket and the popping crease is a line parallel with the bowling crease and 4 feet in front of it, within which the batsman must keep the bat or 1 foot grounded to avoid the risk of being stumped or run out. The length of popping crease equal to 12 feet and 3.5 meter. Line parallel in front of bowling crease means a line parallel to and in advance of bowling crease, marking the limit of batsman approach in hitting the ball. Is 4 feet. Weight of the cricket bat is equal to 4 to 6 ounce or 2 pounds, means the cricket bat is made from willow wood. The weight of lightweight bats will be 2 pound and or 0.940 gram or 2 pound to 130 gram. A cricketer uniform: white shirt, trouser, shoes and sweaters, means uniform means a set of standard clothing worn by members of an organization by participating in that organization activity. Cricketers and usually consist of trousers, shirt and a jumper. Originally, as indicated by name, whites flannels were exclusively white or cream. Thanks and have a nice day.